Hello, my name is Marcin, and I'm a proud member of Desert Fellas. A big part of my life was hiking. Hiking in Poland, where I come from, hiking in Canada, in Europe, in the UAE. And hiking in the winter, hiking in the summer, all kinds of trails and all kinds of conditions. Hiking can be fun, and it's just important that you do it safely. At Desert Fellas, we thought about hiking a lot. The reason is that we also think about negative aspects of urban life. Sitting too much, not enough movement. This is what we are concerned about. And we decided that it's time to start hiking along with other activities of Desert Fellas, such as our iconic desert drives. So soon, I will have a privilege to take you to the UAE mountains for our first hikes, and I will share my experience and passion with you. Let's move on, let's go out together, and let's do some walking. See you soon.